In today's video, we'll be showing you an easy method of air layering using Rockwool. Rockwool is a soilless substrate for seed growing and plant cloning. It's very porous and retains high levels of oxygen and water. While using Rockwool, we have found it to be easier and a less messier method to propagate your plants than sphagnum moss or soil. Once rooted, you can plant the cube directly into soil or leca, which makes it a very versatile medium for this purpose. They come in various sizes, but the one we have is a 1.5 inch cube. The things you need are Rockwool, a knife, drill bit or something similar in diameter as the stem of your plant, a container to soak your Rockwool, a Velcro strap or a zip tie, a piece of saran wrap, and a couple of clips. For this demonstration, we're going to use a Philodendron Florida Beauty. You can already see that there's an aerial root popping out, so that's where we're going to insert our Rockwool. First, we'll soak the Rockwool in water. This is not necessary, but for better results, we like to pH balance our water to a level of 5.5 along with some liquid dirt. Then you're going to take it out, but be careful not to squeeze the cube, otherwise you run the risk of removing all the air pockets inside the Rockwool. You're then going to create a hole in the middle of the cube that's the same diameter as the stem of your plant. I'm using a drill bit that I have around. You can use a pen or a chopstick. Now use the knife to cut through the center to create an axis point to wrap the cube around the plant. Next, we're going to use the saran wrap to create a base of where the Rockwool is going to be placed. Overlap the ends to minimize any gaps. This will help retain moisture in the Rockwool for a longer period of time. Now insert the Rockwool around the stem. Be careful not to damage the aerial root during this process. Secure the Rockwool in place using a Velcro or zip tie. Fold the saran wrap over the Rockwool and again try to minimize any gaps. Secure everything with a couple of binder clips. In 2 to 3 weeks, you should see roots growing through the Rockwool and you'll be ready to take a cutting. So far, we've had success using this method on syngoniums, philodendrons, and monsteras. We hope you find this video insightful, and if you would like more content, please be sure to subscribe to our channel.